Let me show you how to set up my drum smoker for ribs. This is for the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Pro, but if you have the regular Bronco, the setup is pretty much the same. I'm going to use more charcoal in here, but you don't need this much for ribs. Here we go. We got a layer of lump charcoal down, and then we have some hickory wood chunks, and I'm going to go on top with some more lump charcoal, which is hickory lump from BFD. Best charcoal on the market. Now we're only doing ribs, so we don't need a lot of charcoal. We're only cooking these for about 4.5 hours. The smoker is going to be running for about 6 hours max. We're going to use one of these fire starters. We're looking for a temp of 250 degrees. If you want to get hotter, use two. Here we go. We're going to stick it just at one of these edges here. We're going to fire that up. Let it do its thing. Get your basket inside of the drum smoker. Give that about 20 minutes for the fire to come up to temp. Now when your fire starter is all burnt out and you have a good base of coals, shut it down and see where the temperature lands. At this time, make sure you have the intake and the exhaust wide open. Once your temperature gets to between 175 and 200, you want to shut your vents down to about between 1.5 and 2. You can put your meat on and let it go. In about an hour and a half, you're going to see your thermometer level out to 250 degrees. That is my perfect temp for ribs.